The second term, Trump's agenda and potential obstacles. As Trump prepared to begin his second term, all eyes were on his agenda and the challenges he would face in a deeply divided nation. He had campaigned on a platform of continuing his America First policies, including cracking down on immigration, renegotiating trade deals, and reducing the U.S.'s role in international organizations. However, Trump also faced a number of obstacles, including a Democratic-controlled House of Representatives, a potential economic slowdown, and the ongoing racial tension between him and certain immigrants in the country. It remained to be seen how he would navigate these challenges and what his priorities would be in his second term. Trump's victory had also raised concerns among some about the future of American democracy. His attacks on the media, the judiciary, and other democratic institutions had eroded trust in these institutions and raised questions about his commitment to the rule of law.